Amazon offers generic drugs for $5 monthly fee with Prime, expanding its healthcare arm. Well, we talked about this thing getting competitive. What was it? Mark Cuban put out that generic drug thing. All of a sudden, people were looking at it. They were saying, my bill is nothing like it used to be because so many of these drugs go off the original patent, whatever long-term agreement in which the original maker of said drug is able to charge a much higher margin before it comes on the market and any pharmaceutical manufacturer can make it, which happens in a certain amount of time. So it makes sense. Amazon wants to get in the generic drug game as well and make it part of Prime. So you get your music and your movies and your fast shipping and your drugs. What are they not going to do for us, Will? They're going to take our blood, or what's going to happen?
Yeah, probably. That's next.
Amazon is offering a new healthcare service. RX Pass enables Amazon Prime members to access multiple generic medications for a flat monthly fee of $5, which is for the people who are buying on a regular basis. The savings is going to be worth it. It's in addition to your Prime membership, so hopefully you already have that one, $139 per month, and hopefully whatever savings you're going to get out of it, you're going to make up that difference. The new service is available in 42 U.S. states. It provides access to drugs for more than 80 common conditions, including high blood pressure, high cholesterol, acid reflux. Some people are on these medications long term, and this stuff really adds up.
And it doesn't cover like the really specific drugs. Just 80 common ones.
Well, and that's the thing is that it's easy to figure out once a drug comes off of its original patent or whatever that program is called. It's easy to figure out which ones are the most widely used and which ones you would carry. And definitely no, they're probably, it says generic at the top, so they're probably not going to carry any name brand stuff because that would, well, obviously have a whole different margin associated with it, and it's just probably not a business they want to be involved in, if they even could. I don't know. RX Pass is the latest healthcare initiative from Amazon, which announced plans to acquire primary care service One Medical for $3.9 billion in July, and in November introduced Amazon Clinic, a message-based health service that treats a variety of conditions, including your favorite COVID. What do you think? You think the transcriber can pick up my spelling?
Definitely.
So go ahead and save. They say you'll save up to 80% over industry pricing. So they're going after Mark Cuban and what he's up to. And if the reaction to his business was anything, if we can take any notes from that, I think this is going to be received well as well for people who are stuck on some of these medications long term.